Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 5th for the subject of mathematics and is being submitted to you on 15th February 2021. Students, we have already discussed about area and volume. So, in today's lesson, we will revise questions based on area, volume, and perimeter. So, let us start our today's lesson with the formulas based on perimeter and area. Now, children, you know that the first figure is your rectangle. In rectangle, the two opposite sides are always equal. So this is your length and this one is your breadth. So if we want to find the perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is twice L plus B. I repeat, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Twice length plus breadth. And the formula to find area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. I repeat, the formula to find area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, children. Now let's move on to our second figure, that is square. Now, children, you know that in a square all the sides are equal. Okay, so now we will consider one side as a side. Okay, so now the perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. What is the formula to find perimeter? 4 into side. And the formula to find area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. Okay, let me repeat one more time all these formulas. Now, children, we have discussed the perimeter of rectangle, that is twice length plus breadth. Then the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then we have perimeter of square, that is 4 into side. And if we want to find the area of square, our formula is side into side. Now, children, let us discuss about the units. Units are very important. So you have to write the units according to the sides. If the sides are given in meter, then the perimeter is in meter. And if the sides are given in centimeter, your unit will be centimeter. So now, children, all these are the units of perimeter. So the units of perimeter is meter, centimeter, millimeter, or kilometer. And now let's discuss about the units of area. Now, children, units of area are always measured in meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square, kilometer square. Or you can say that square meter, square centimeter, square millimeter, and square kilometer. Now, children, I hope you are clear with the formulas based on perimeter and area of rectangle and square. So now let us start our question number 1. Now let's see what is in the question 1. Now let's see. Find the perimeter of square whose side is first one 17 centimeter, second one 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now, children, right now we have done that. What is the perimeter of square? It's what is the answer? What is the formula? It is 4 multiplied by side. Okay, children, 4 multiplied by side. And you know that here side is given 17. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 17 is equal to 68. Still, our question is not over because we have not written the unit. Now your answer is complete and the perimeter of square is 68 meters. Is it clear, students? It's very easy. Now let's move on to our question number 2. Again, same formula, 4 into side, because we are calculating perimeter of square. But children, here the problem is side, because side is given in meter and centimeter both. So what you have to do, you have to convert this into centimeter. So you know that 2 meter means 200 centimeter, and then plus 5 centimeter. Okay, children, you have to convert it into same unit. So you will get 205 centimeter. So now, children, what is your perimeter here? 205 centimeter. Now, it's a very easy thing now. You have to find the perimeter. And the formula is again same, 4 multiplied by side. So what you will get? You have to multiply your given side with 4. So it is 4 multiply 205. So now multiply it. You will get 820. And what will be the unit? Centimeter. Okay, children. So are you clear with this? How to find perimeter of square? The formula is 4 multiplied by side. Okay, students. I hope you are clear with question number 1. Now let's move on to our question number 2. Now, children, in question number 2, you have to find the area of the following. Now, children, in the A part, you have to find rectangle with length 16 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. In B part, you have to find the area of square whose side is 2 1 upon 3 centimeter. So now, children, first of all, let's write the formula to find area of rectangle. You remember what is the formula? Yes, the formula to find area of rectangle is L multiplied by B. L is length and B is breadth. And length is given in the question, that is 16. And what is given breadth? Breadth is 4. So now, children, when you multiply, you will get as 64. Okay. Still, your question is incomplete because you have not written the unit. So, children, you can write centimeter square or you can write square centimeter. It's one and the same thing. Okay. So, you can write 64 square centimeter or you can write centimeter square. Is it clear? Now, children, let us move on to our B part. Now, in this, you have to find the area of square whose side is 2 1 upon 3 centimeter. Now, children, here you have to convert your mixed fraction into improper. So, 2 threes are 6 plus 1. So, it is 7 divided by 3. You will get 7 upon 3. So now you have to find the area, and area is side multiplied by side. Okay. So 7 upon 3 multiplies 7 upon 3. So you know that numerator will be multiplied with numerator. So 7 multiplies 7, 49, divided by 3 threes are 9. So 49 upon 9 is your answer, and you have to write the unit, and it will be square centimeter. Okay, children. So your answer is 49 upon 9 square centimeter. Okay, children. I hope you are clear with question number 2. You just have to learn the formula, and rest is very easy. Now let's move on to question number 3. Now here, find the area of square park whose perimeter is 164 centimeter. Now, children, here the perimeter is given to you 164, and area you have to find out. Okay. Now, children, here the problem is side is not given to you. Okay. Side is question mark. Fine. Because side is not given, so you can't find area. So your first step will be find the side of the square by using its perimeter. So let's see how will you do. Now, children, if perimeter is given to you, 164 centimeter, you can find its side by dividing perimeter by 4. Because in square we are having 4 equal side, so you will divide 164 with 4. Okay, so now after cancellation, you will get 4 ones are 4 and 441s are 164. So your side is 41 centimeter. You got your side, that is 41 centimeter. Now, if you have side, you can find the area by applying the formula. So, do you remember the formula to find area of square? We have just done, that is side multiply by side. Okay, students, it is side multiply by side. So after multiplying 41 into 41, you will get 1681 centimeter square. Okay, so now children, from in this question, from perimeter we got the value of side, and after calculating side we got the value of area. I hope children you are clear with question number 3 also. Now let's move on to our question number 4. Now let's read the question carefully. Now find the area of rectangular park with length 12 meter and breadth 6 meter. Also find the cost of grassing it at the rate of 20 per meter square. So now children, in this there is a park whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So now children, first in the question they have asked about the area. You know that area of a park will be length multiplied by breadth. Length is given to you 12 and breadth is given 6. After multiplying 12 with 6, you will get 72. Okay. So 72, and what will be the unit? Meter square or square meter. It's one and the same thing. Okay. Now children, this is your area. Now you have to find the cost also. So the cost of grassing the park will be area multiplied by the money. Area multiplied by the rupees given. So it will be 72 multiplied 20, and your answer after multiplication is rupees 1440. Okay, students, I hope you are clear with this question. Now let's move on to question number 5. Now, children, this is a very important question. Please look carefully. Let's read the question first. A rectangular park is 50 meter by 30 meter. A path 2 meter wide is built all around it outside. Find the cost of constructing the path at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Now, children, let's discuss what is given in the question. Now, in this first thing is given, the length of the park is given 50. Now, you can see that this is dimension. So, this is the length of the park, and breadth of the park is given 30. See, here it is written 30. Okay. So, length and breadth of the park is given 50 and 30 respectively. Now, then 2 meter wide is built all around it. So now from here also it is 2 meter wide. Here also it is 2 meter wide. Okay. All around it is 2 meter wide. Fine, children. So now first what you will do, you will find the outer dimension. Now, children, you know that if this is 2 meter wide, this is 2 meter wide. So, what will be the length of this outer one? This will be 54 meter, because 50 plus 2 plus 2, that will be 54. And the breadth will be 30 plus 2 plus 2, that is 34. Okay, children. So the outer dimension is 54 meter by 34 meter. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to find out that what is the cost of constructing this path. So, actually, we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. So, now let's find out the area of the outer one and area of the inner rectangle. So, let's find the area of the inner rectangle first. That is L into B. What you have to do, area of inner rectangle will be L into B, that is 15 to 30. After multiplication you will get 1500 meter square. Okay, now you have to find the area of the outer rectangle because that is your outer one only. So that will be L into B, and I just told you that the outer dimension will be here 54 meter, and here it will be 34 meter. Okay, so now let's multiply it and you will get the area as 1836 meter square. Okay children, now you have inner rectangle area, you have outer area also. Now when you subtract it you will get the area of the path. After subtracting outer with inner, you will get 336 meter square. Okay, students. So now one more thing is left. You have to find out the cost of constructing the path. Now, children, we know the area of the path. Okay, we know the area of this path. Fine. So how will you find the cost? You will just multiply your area, whatever area of this path, with the money given. Okay, so you have to multiply 336 with 500. Fine. After multiplication, what you will get, you will get 1,68,000. So the cost of constructing this path is 1,68,000. Is it clear, students? Now let's move on to our volume. Now, children, I guess you remember what is a volume? What is a volume? Now, volume is the inner surface enclosed by a solid object. Now, children, this is a cuboid, and the inner surface of the cuboid is your volume. Similarly, the volume of the cube is the inner surface. The inner surface enclosed by a solid object is the volume. So now children, if we want to find the volume of cuboid, so that will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height. And what will be the volume of cube? Side multiply by side multiply by side, because all the faces, all the sides are equal in cube. I repeat one more time. The formula to find volume of cuboid is L into B into H. L is length, B is height, and B is breadth, and H is height. Okay, L into B into H. And the volume of cube is side multiply by side multiply by side. So these two are the formulas to find the volume of cuboid and cube. Now let's discuss about the units of volume. Now children, the volume is always measured in meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube, or liters. All these are the units of volume. If the sides are given in meter, then your answer will be in meter cube. Okay, so now I hope you have learned the formulas. Now let's move on to the question. Now, children, question number 6 and question number 7 you will try yourself. Now, let's read it. Question number 6, find the volume of cuboid with length 20 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter, and height 10 centimeter. Length, breadth, height is given, and you have to find the cuboid. And hint is, you know that The formula to find volume of cuboid is L multiply B multiply H. Okay, so this is your formula and you can find out, and don't forget to write the units. Now let's read question number 7. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 6-meter long, 4-meter broad, and 2-meter deep at the rate of rupees 100 per meter cube. Now, children, in this we are talking about cuboidal pit. Okay, so length is given, breadth is given, and height is given. So now, children, first find the volume, and volume is L into B into H, and then find the cost of digging that pit. So what you will do, you will multiply the volume with the money given, that is rupees 100. So try question number 6 and 7 in your register. Now let's read question number 8. Now this is a mental maths. We have to discuss this quickly. 1 meter cube is how much? Liters. So, children, it is 1000. Please remember, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. And what is the perimeter? Second part, perimeter of rectangle, twice length plus breadth. We have already discussed this. Now, next is dash is the sum of all the sides of a given closed figure. That will be perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the given closed figure. Volume of cube of side 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter. So you will get only 1 centimeter cube. So what is the volume? 1 centimeter cube. I hope, children, you are clear with all the questions discussed in this assignment. Please try all these questions in your mathematics register. Thank you, students.